Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix Google Chrome slow download speed issue in Windows 10 PC or laptop by the simplest way. First of all, we just go to the start and just type cmd, right click on the command prompt and run as an administrator. Okay, and just click on the yes. Now just go to the command prompt. In command prompt, we just add two commands. Okay, the first command is ipconfig, then space, then slash flushdns, okay, and hit enter key on our keyboard. Okay, now the first command is successfully completed. Now we just add our second command. Second command is netsh space winsock, then space, then reset. Okay, just add this command. I just give this all command in the description. Okay, now just hit enter key on our keyboard. In few seconds we find a restart message. It's want our computer to restart, but we are going to the next process and then restart our machine. Okay, now next step is just go to the Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, just go to the here at the top we find three dot. Just click on this three dot. Here we find more tools and here we find settings. Just go to the settings. Okay, in settings we find piracy and security. Just go to the piracy and security. Okay, now here we find cookies and other site data. Just click on cookies and other site data. Here just scroll down and here we find clear cookies and site data when it is close all windows. At here we find center do not track request with our browsing traffic. Okay, now just select this. Just click on confirm. We want to enable this. Okay, now we just close our Google Chrome or minimize it. Okay, now the last option is very simple. Just go to the start and just type control panel and just go to the control panel. In control panel we just find internet options. Just click on the internet options, minimize this. At here we find menu option. We just go to the connections. Just go to the connections. In connections we just go to the LAN settings. In LAN setting, it is like this, automatically detect settings, and if it's like this, then select automatically detect settings. It is for our proxy. If any proxy is activated on this, then it is automatically disabled. Okay, automatically detect settings. Okay, now just click on okay. Now just restart our machine, and after restart our slow downloading speed issue is completely gone from our Windows 10 operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.